Hello everyone, welcome to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pan-seared lemon butter salmon. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. Over here I have 4 salmon fillets, about 1.5 pounds. I'm going to use 6 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon zest, about 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley. And that is all you're gonna need for this dish, and it's so delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. So I pat dried my salmon with a paper towel on both sides, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just season both sides with some salt and pepper. Now in a hot pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter. So I usually always, when I'm pan searing, whether it's chicken or fish or whatever it is, I will heat up my pan before I add my butter or oil. So I'm just melting my butter here, and once it's browned like this and it gets this nice color, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my salmon fillets. And this is on a medium-high heat, and I'm gonna cook it on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, I went ahead and flipped them over. Now I'm going to cook on the other side for 3 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and after 3 minutes, I'm going to add my lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then I'm going to add the lemon zest. The lemon zest, I'll be topping some of the salmon fillets with that and also put it in the sauce. And once I add the lemon juice and lemon zest, I'm going to let it cook just for another minute, and then the salmon will be ready to serve. Now I'm just topping each salmon fillet with some of that lemon butter sauce. Alright, so the salmon now is ready to serve. I'm going to go ahead and plate it, and once I plate it, I'm going to add some more of that sauce onto each piece. The sauce is what has all that flavor. And then I'm gonna garnish it with some parsley. The parsley is optional, but it does give a nice color. So I garnish with parsley and some lemon slices. And that is it for this salmon dish. It's super easy and absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.